All those who are planning to come to Germany for their masters and bachelors, you should know this. Because of the current US situation, many Indian students are planning to come to Germany. And trust me guys, German language is very important. If anyone suggests you that German is not that important and you can survive without learning the German language, they are lying. You should at least have a A2 level German certification or knowledge. So when you will be here and during your masters and bachelors, you can stand out the crowd for your student jobs and internships. And during your masters and bachelors, you can literally complete B1 and B2. So when you will finish your masters, you will have much more higher chances to schedule an interview and stand out of the crowd in a German market. So anyone who is planning to come to Germany, please learn the German language.